Good afternoon, meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros. How are you doing this evening? Or this afternoon, we are talking about the potential of heavy rain on the East Coast as this low pressure cranks up. Right now near Alabama, this is going to come across. The piece of energy is going to come down. It's going to mix with it. They're going to merge together, and we're going to have a good old nor'easter here Friday and Saturday. As you see, I'll move this along. Heavy rain will move into the area on Friday. A couple, 1 or 2 inches is very likely about to occur here. I'm actually going to move this into the northeast quadrant so we can look at this even better. Heavy rains here, Danville, looking at this model run, and we continue on. Just low pressure will crank itself up off the coast. Heavy rain then will be in Richmond area when I'm in Richmond this weekend for the Mid-Atlantic Storm Con. Then this thing will crank up right near the Jersey Shore, and look at that. Heavy rain across Philadelphia. This is, let's see, this is our morning time on Saturday. As we move on, you see you get some mixed precipitation up in northern Maine, but nothing major here as this moves away. And we'll get another system move in for later in the week and Sunday night and Monday as it moves through. So this is what we're expecting over the next couple days, including this weekend. Let's see, we're going to do a total accumulated precipitation. You want to see what we get in this weekend based on the accumulation standards here. And as you see, most of it is going to be in the 1 to 2 inch range across the area. So 1 to 2 inches of rain is likely. It's going to be a cold rain. Temperatures are only going to be in the 40s for the most part in the Roanoke Valley and parts of Virginia, and 50s the most up Jersey and DC. The 40s and 50s are going to be what you see. We're in this fall pattern. We don't look like we're going to get much into a springy pattern or rebound pattern anytime soon. So enjoy this cool air. We'll keep you updated here at the Weather Pros. Make sure that you go to weatherpros.com. If you do outside work or plowing, landscaping, things like that, get our free trial for your company. See why we're better. It's at theweatherpros.com. Meteorologist Dean Davison, thanks for watching.